Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of things so that you get some ideas on irregular shapes. So I could do just a completely flat little piece to put my little snow scene on, but I want to have a kind of irregular shape at the bottom. So if I come up here, this was originally on line, and I made kind of the base part here already kind of nice and square. And I'm going to show you what spline does. What it does, and if you hover it over it, it shows you, and you can make these irregular shapes here. So first I click on the end, then I click on the middle to pull it up and down. So I'm going to do that. So if I get a green dot, it'll be right on the end. Now I'm going to make this kind of exaggerated at the top part so that I can get some good parts there. And you'll notice how it's making it kind of lumpy in between, so it's not nice and smooth. And I want to get this end, I want to put right there on that end so that it's even. Now when I click finish, you'll see that it's actually made this very lumpy part so that I can now put my snow scene. So now I could take and extrude this back. There we go. But I want to extrude it, let's say, I'm going to make mine 10 by 10, so I'm going to extrude it like that. And now, instead of having a flat piece, now I have this piece that goes up and down. So this is just made a little bit more interesting than just one flat piece. So you can play around and see how the splines work. And if you look here at some other options, you also have some options with some arcs that you can do, some circular shapes you can do, as well as the splines, which will make different shapes, irregular shapes like this. So that spline will give you some more interesting options as you work through this. I'll make some more videos and show you some of the other interesting things you can do.